Before we start today's video, I'd like to shout out Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Alright, we got the squad out. 2S1000 package. Beautiful new R1. Congrats to AJ for getting this beautiful 60th anniversary R1. Looking nice. We got the R1M. Aprilia. Squad. God damn! He just straight piped it. Throwback. The OG people know when I straight piped the R1M. That was not a good idea. I told him not to do it. He regretted it, but it's okay. I need gas. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today's video is gonna be exciting as hell. You guys want me to take the H2 to more meets. It's exactly what we're doing. This is not just A to meet. We're going to Sheepy Race. If you guys don't know who Sheepy Race are, those are the crazy people that build like 1,000+ horsepower exotic cars, like Lamborghinis and I don't know, everything exotic. Yeah, twin turbo Lamborghinis, like crazy. Some of them are like what, 1,500 horsepower, stuff like that. I don't even know what their most powerful machine is, but crazy twin turbo exotics. That's what they have. And you know, what other bike to take other than the H2? So left them because we're trying to get gas, me and him, because we're already hella late as always. You guys already know, so we're going to fill up, get some gas, and then go there. It's a little over an hour away, so it's gonna be a mob. All right, let's get some gas and get going. Look at this quad. Oh yeah, easily over $20. That's a lot to fill up a bike. It used to be like $13-12 when I started riding. Let's go, baby. Now we're ready. What do you guys think about wings? Since I don't ride my H2 as much as I used to, I love the mirrors and I really use them, and they actually don't look bad on this bike, but the wings look very, you know, aggressive. It's nice. So I might do the upper wings and the lower wings too, the whole thing. So I don't know. What do you guys think about it? So loud. Squad looking good. Beautiful day out. I'm excited. This should be a fun video. Yeah, that ride was long. There was traffic and all. So yeah, it was painful. This bike is way too aggressive for long rides like that. All right. We made it, boys and girls. There's a lot of people, a lot of fast cars. Damn, that's loud. Well, I'm trying to talk over this music because I'm definitely gonna get copyrighted. We're trying to all line up over there. This is legit. Wildin'. So much going on over here. Whew. Yeah. I know, dude. It was a long ride. It was a mission. Nah, slow down. Crazy, so many people over here. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Of course, man.
Thank you.
Of course, man. Sounds good, bro. I'll repost it if you tag me.
When you rolled down, I was like, I know who that is.
I'm far as hell from here, but I had to come.
It's like crazy.
Appreciate it, man. Look at all these crazy vehicles, though. Damn. Dude, look at that exhaust. Sheepy Race. Twin turbos and loud ass exhausts. Whew. This car is crazy. I hear the turbos on it. Wild. You're chilling, homie. You got a lot of room. Oh, that GTR. Oh, that C8 is nice. How you doing, man? This is crazy. Chrome purple. Slicks. Damn. There's so many people. This car's parked everywhere. It's a Mustang. Run away. Oh my god. That was a bad idea. Alright. Literally breaking my eardrums. Alright. No more. Whoa. Talk about built car. With those slicks on too. Jeez. For sure, man. That was a pretty fun meet hosted by Sheepy Race. Got some food, relaxed for a little bit, and now we're heading back. Smaller squad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel. If you did enjoy, please drop a like, subscribe, share, and support. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and ride safe. And now, let me tell you a little bit more about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace gives people a powerful and beautiful online platform from which to create your website. You can connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content. Manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insight, all on one easy-to-use platform. I talked a little bit about how I wanted to start my clothing brand. I'm definitely going to be using Squarespace to create a community where I can display posts from my social profiles where people can actually comment and give me feedback on my website or your e-commerce business. Go to squarespace.com/amk to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.